Hello guys, it's me, Brazabiza, and today I'm gonna roast someone who tried to roast my old friend from my old school. So PELLLLO, the roaster, made a video on how my friend's YouTube videos are very bad and no one would watch it. So when I visited his channel, it's basically worse than my friend's channel, and I can't believe he's actually responding to the roast video. Even though his channel sucks, it's like a little dog attacking a big dog. I'm gonna show the video right now.
This is my cousin. He's trying to roast me, but it's not really a roast. It's super bad.
My cousin has a channel, okay? It's PELLLLO. Check it out. I mean, it's okay.
That's
Wait. Are you countering his roast even though he made a shout out to your channel and said that it was decent? Wow.
rude.
But
How is that rude?
PELLLLO.
I unsubscribed to him.
Roasted boy. Okay? This guy never shows his face. He says if he shows his face, he's gonna
Nope.
get hacked.
So technically you asked the question, do you get hacked for showing your face? That means that you were not sure if you do get hacked for showing your face. So rest in peace.
I said something else.
So what did you say?
Video recording, like he uses his phone to record like Minecraft.
Well, you use your tablet. You sometimes use your phone too.
Yes, my friend does record on the iPhone, but he doesn't record as sloppy as PELLLLO. I'm gonna recreate a video of PELLLLO right now.
Hello guys, it's me, PELLLLO, and I'm gonna play Jailbreak. And I don't have a screen recorder because I'm too lazy to search it up. Hello guys, it's me, PELLLLO, and I'm gonna show you my new fidget spinner, and it's like $10, okay? And I'm gonna time it, okay? Look, I'm gonna spin it first. Okay, now you can see you can find over here. So far it's still going. You can totally see this. I'm totally not looking at the screen so I can adjust it. Oh, never mind, I see it now. Oh no, now it's unfocusing. I'm still going to publish this video. Wow, it's so blurry. I'm still going to upload this video for the views. Wow, this looks cool.
And this video is the reaction video to my friend's bad content. So here's the video right here.
Hey guys, it's PELLLLO. Hello. This is my cousin's YouTube video. This YouTube
Why are you turning your iPhone backwards? You know it's not gonna be helpful for the viewer.
video sucks. I can't believe some of his video is just opening chests.
Why are you so triggered? There's like only 6 chest openings on his channel.
Like, who would want to watch this?
I have a question for you. Who would want to watch your YouTube channel? Rest in peace.
Happened to me, you're supposed to
Who would want to watch
so
that?
now
Someone else but you.
our silver chest, guys.
Who would want to watch
46 gold.
Focus?
So now you're trying to focus the camera, but not in the fidget spinner video.
4 bombers, 5 elite barbs. Well guys, I
Who would want to watch
didn't
that?
get that much.
How do you know if people don't want to watch this video? If you don't have proof, then why are you talking about it?
And wooden chests are not that rare at all. Get them every 3 hours or something like that.
This
Yeah, 4
is his
hours.
YouTube channel.
So, next silver chest,
He
47.
only got 14 views on that, 2 likes.
You're such a hypocrite when you only have 9 videos on the roast reaction video, and also 3 to 3 to 20 views on most of your regular videos.
I don't know how many subscribers he has. He has 24 subscribers. What? Why?
The reason why he has more subscribers is because he makes better content and you're just jealous.
If you subscribe to his channel,
And a Italy bar.
tell me.
So now, guys.